Good morning, welcome back to Baker's Acres. Today I have chocolate Orpingtons that have moved from inside to outside. This is our outside grow out pen. Kind of see here, they're my chocolates right here. There's a divider across with my other hatch that came out last week, but these chocolates are about ready to move to the big pen. So we're going to take this 4-foot tall pen right here, and we're going to relocate to my big coop and let them get acclimated to my adult hens. We got the 4-foot pen taken out. It's right here. It's an accordion. This is a typical dog kennel playpen. We had extras laying around. I had several because we had puppies. But now, instead of letting them just kind of go away, I've got them in use. So this is going to be a 4-foot pen going into the big coop. This is a 2-foot tall divider we're going to keep in here because when these guys get bigger, they're going to move over here. And I got a hatch inside that's going to move in over there. And this is plenty enough space for them to grow out before I put them into the big pen, which does not have any heat. Now these chocolates, these are chocolate Orpingtons. They're fully feathered. They're about between 6 and 7 weeks old. So it's time for them to move out and get acquainted with the big girls. Okay, so on to the big coop. So here's our big coop. All the girls are out foraging. We keep it open during the day, closed up at night. This is the purchase. I have pictures of what it looks like without this enclosure, but here is the new enclosure. So these purchase was already here. To make the most of the space, I went ahead and put this enclosure in front so they have perches and then their area to scratch for, kind of hang out. There's their food and there's their water. Let me come around so you can see the food. There you go. There's the food and water. Here's the gate. Because it's a puppy gate, so it has the automatic. Let me go ahead and open the bottom. You kind of see. There we go. There's the gate. And that's their enclosure. Alright, let's go get the Orpingtons. Okay, so the Orpingtons have been added. You can see them all right here. There's about 25 of them. This space is bigger than where they just came from. They got food and water. They have the perches and the space below to roam. Here we go. This fence line was fastened with twine over there, right here. I'm just keeping chickens in and chickens out. I don't want to be super secure, but it's not going to fall over. Alright guys, this is it. Until next time we do other farm projects. This one took longer than I like, but maybe a couple of hours and we were done. Alright guys, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.